Welcome to my channel. Myself Arpita Paul. I'm back again with another new video. Today you will learn input in Java using scanner class. Okay, so let's start the video. So the first thing you need to know, what is a scanner class. Okay, so the scanner class is used to get the user input and it is present in the java.util package. So basically the scanner class is used to take the input from the user, and for that we have to import this package. So basically the packages are the place or the document which holds the documentation of all the predefined classes. Scanner class is one of them, and the documentation or the working principle of the scanner class is defined within java.util package. So whenever you are using the scanner class, you have to import java.util package in your program, and how to import it, that I will show you in this video later on. Okay, now how to use the scanner class. To use the scanner class, we have to create an object of the class and use any of the available methods found in the scanner class documentation. So basically to use the class, we have to create the object of that class. Okay, so how to create the object, that I will tell you. And not only that, for each and every data type we have a specific method, okay, which we have to use. Okay, so first we will create the object of one scanner class, and then we will use the methods to assign the values of specific data type. How to do, let me show you. See how to create object of a scanner class. So for that we will write like this: scanner space sc equals to new space scanner within bracket system dot in. Okay, so what are these things? First one, scanner is the class name for which you are going to create the object. Okay, so for scanner class we will write here the class name, which is scanner. Okay, after that this sc is the object's name. Okay, so this is the object's name we are providing. It is not compulsory that you have to write sc. You can give any other name also, any other alphabet or any other name. Okay, then after the equals to sign we will write new. New is the keyword used to create objects. Whenever we will create object for any class, either it is for scanner or for any other user defined class also, we will use this new keyword to create the object. After that again we will write scanner, which is the class name, same class name for which you are creating the object. And after that within bracket we will write system.in, and this is the method used to input the streams. Okay, so basically system.in is the predefined method which will help us to input the streams into the program. Okay, so this is how we will write, and concentrate that in scanner s will be in capital. Here also s will be in capital. In case of system.in also s will be capital. So Java is a case sensitive language, so you need to remember where you have to write the letters in capital. Okay, so this is how we will create the object of scanner class. Okay, now let me show you with one example how we can create the object and how we can use it. So before that you need to learn what are the methods we have in scanner class. See, I have given here a table. For all the data types we have a specific scanner class method. Okay, so let's start. First one, you can see next boolean. It is used to read a boolean value from the user. Next one is next byte. It is used to read a byte value from the user. Next double is used to read a double value from the user. Next float is used to read a floating type value from the user. Next int is used to take integer type value from the user. Next line is used to read a string value, that is a word or a sentence, from the user. Next long is used to take a long type integer value from the user, and next short is used to read a short value from the user. So these are the popular methods of scanner class which we will use in our program to take input. Okay, whatever data type you are using, you have to use that specific method for that data type. Okay, now let me show you with one example how to use the scanner class. Now see, I have given one program that write a Java program to accept two numbers using scanner class and display the sum. So basically we will input two numbers using scanner class and we will display the sum of those two numbers. How to do that? Let me show you. See, I have written here one example, one program, full program, and I am explaining this step by step. You will do this program in BlueJ. You write it down there to get the output. Okay. Now see, the first line I have written import space java.util.asterisk then semicolon. So basically, this is the util package I am importing in the program. How to do it? Import is the keyword to do that. Okay, it is a predefined word. We will use the word import. Then java.util is the package and asterisk represents all classes of this util package. Okay, which includes scanner class also. Okay, after that we will write our class name, which is public class add. This is our class name. You can give any class name. Within the bracket, we will write our main function, that is public static void main string args. Within this, we will create the scanner class object. How to do? We have written here scanner space sc equals to new space scanner. Within first bracket, we have written system.in, then semicolon, which terminates the line. Okay, this is how we have created the object of this scanner class. Now we have to input two numbers. How to do that? So for that, I have added one statement, that is system.out.println within double quotation enter the first number. Okay, so to input the first number, we are declaring a variable a which is integer type. Okay, so int space a equals to sc dot next int. See here, sc is the object name of the scanner class which we have declared here. Same object name you have to use here. Then separated with a dot, this is called dot operator, and to call a method of a class we will use this dot operator. Now we are using the integer method of this scanner class. Okay, why? Because the variable we are declaring here is integer type, and for that we need to use the next int method. Okay, please notice that for next int I is capital and you have to maintain that. Okay, so int space a equals to sc dot next int. So this is how we will take input and we will store the input in variable a. Same way we are taking input for the second number. So we have given a statement that system.out.println enter the second number. Then int b equals to sc dot next int. Okay, so same way we are taking another number and storing the value inside b. Okay, so we have completed taking input of two numbers. Now we have to calculate the sum. For that we are taking another variable s. Okay, this is also integer type, but here we will not write any next int or any object of the scanner class. Why? Because the s is the variable where we will store the addition. Okay, for that we have written int s equals to a plus b. So we are adding two variables values and we are storing it within s. After that we are printing the values system.out.println within double quotation addition equals to plus s. So we are printing the value of s. Okay, this is how we will create the object of the scanner class. Then we will use the predefined methods to take input using the scanner class object, and then we will calculate the sum and we will print. So how the output will look like? Let's see. See the output screen here. First this statement will come, enter the first number, then you have to enter the value here. I have entered here 10, then enter the second number, I have entered here 20, then it will show you the output addition equals to 30. Okay, so this is how we can use scanner class to take input. You can try in your own. Okay, thank you class. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notification.